Hello guys, good day and welcome back to the channel. This is Chi Organic Skincare. In case you are coming across my video for the first time, thank you guys so much for stopping by. So guys, to my old subscribers, thank you guys for subscribing to my channel, and to my new subscribers, you guys are highly welcome. Thank you guys for supporting and subscribing to my channel. So guys, without wasting much time, I would like to teach you guys how you can make this super whitening black soap. This black soap is a 7 days whitening soap that will whiten up your skin and clear skin issues, because it's a glass soap and it works for treatment also. So guys, without wasting much time, let's go straight into the video. So guys, the number one I have here on my ebook is my Ghana black soap. Ghana black soap, you need 5 wraps of your Ghana black soap. Then the second one is Ghana hash soap, you need 3 letters. Then your whitener serums, you need 3. 5 days activator oil, this is actually my own product. So guys, if you want to patronize me, this oil or activator oil, it's available. So you need your 5 days activator oil, 300 ml. Then your skin free milk, you need 2 bottles. Turmeric powder, you need 20 grams. Your kojic dick powder, you need 50 grams. Salicylic acid powder, you need 50 grams. Your lactic acid, you need 20 ml. Your giga white powder, you need 50 grams. Your cottage fresh soap, you need 2 rubbers. Your 42 hours cleanser, you need 2. DUO or duo cleanser, you need 2. Your Dermalis cleanser, you need 1. Then shower gel to soak the soap, and your Pure June oil, you need 2 bottles. Then you need your neem powder, you need neem powder at 20 ml. This is for treatment. So guys, how do you make this? Incorporate everything into your bowl, and then you add in your shower gel. You soak for a day, then you mix the next day, and your whitening black soap is ready. So guys, thank you for stopping by. I will see you guys on my